Hi, I'm Pete, the Medical Director at NeuroMedTech. Today we're going to learn the Respiratory Regulation Simplified Exercise Program. These movements can be used to help with the functional restorative mechanisms of your respiratory system. This can happen in a few different ways. Firstly, maintenance, looking after the general health and well-being of your respiratory system. Secondly, prevention, using posture, breath and movement to impact your body's natural autoimmunity and lung function. Thirdly, treatment. If you do have a respiratory condition or you get an upper respiratory infection, these movements can be used during that phase to help you recover. And then finally, rehabilitation and recovery, using the movements in a post-upper respiratory infection environment to help your body come back to a normal homeostatic balance. Let's go through the movements now, and then afterwards we'll have a quick discussion about some of the mechanisms that are taking place inside this exercise program. From a natural standing position, bring your hands together over the lower abdomen and take a deep breath in as you squat. Hold the breath and lift up. Breathe out, sink down. Stay low, breathe in. Lift up, breathe out, sink down. Stay low, breathe in, lift up, breathe out, sink down. Holding your fingertips together, breathe in, touch the back of the hands, breathe out. Turn the hands and breathe in. Connect the fingertips, the back of the hands, and breathe out. Breathing in, closing. Breathing out, opening. And bringing the hands back to the lower abdomen, interlock the thumbs. Hands by sides. Take a deep breath in and open the chest. Breathe out and close. Lift up and open, close and sink. Half a breath in on the way up, half a breath open, half a breath close and sink. Lifting, opening, closing, sinking. Breathe in and out. Lifting, open, lean forward. Close and sit down. Heading into the transition, opening and bringing the arms back to shoulder height. Drop the left hand down by your hip, up behind, rotate the palms and bring it back to the center of the chest. Then push the left hand forward as the right hand lifts up, rotate and bring them back to the chest and abdomen. Breathe in as you turn, lift and open. Breathe out as you center. Breathe in, drop the bottom hand, turn the palms. Breathe out, back to the center. Twisting, opening, centering and closing. Breathe in as we coil and open. Breathe out as we center and relax. Breathing in, open the door. Breathe out, close to the center line. Breathing in, turning, opening. Breathing out, closing, centering. Turn, lift, open. Breathe out, close, center. Breathing in, turning, opening. Breathing out, close and center. Last one to each side. Lift, open, breathe out, close, center. Transition. After we open, bring both hands forward in line with the shoulder height. Double shoulder width, squat. Rotate palms, lift up over the head. Press down, breathe in. Rotate palms, lift up over the head. Breathing in, squat, knees over toes. Breathe out, lift and open the ribs. Breathing in, squatting. Breathing out, lifting and opening. Sit down, keep the body upright. Lift up and expand the ribs. Breathing in, squatting. Breathing out, lifting up and over. Last one. Breathe in, lift up and over. Breathe out, press down. Now transition, lift up, over, step in and press your palms down. Lifting the palms up, wash the face. Breathe out, sit down. Rotate palms, grasp the toes, lift up and over. Breathe out, sit down, press down. Grasp the toes, lift the top of the head, brush the face, bring the hands down and squat. Breathe in, wash. Breathe out, sink. Breathing in, lift up, wash the face. Breathing out, sit down, relax. Lifting, washing, pressing down, relaxing. Breathing in, wash, breathe out, relax. Bring the fingertips together, breathe in, breathe out, part the hands and open. Breathing in, closing, connect the fingertips. Breathing out, relaxing and opening. Breathing in and out. Bring the hands back to the lower abdomen as you breathe in. Lift up. Breathe out. Sit down. Stay low. Breathe in. Lift with the top of the head. Breathe out. Sit down. Relax. Stay low. Breathe in. Lift. Breathe out. Sit down and relax.